All my life, I've struggled with food, binge eating, constant cravings, and it showed up as horrible acne all over my face, weight gain, low energy, even my mood was affected. But what I'm going to share with you today completely changed everything, and the craziest part, what I'm going to show you cost only about $1, and it made my skin glow like you will not believe. I finally found a way to naturally stop food cravings, quiet the food noise, and actually feel full and satisfied. Since changing how I eat, my skin is clearer, my hair is thicker, my mood is better, and I've even lost weight without feeling deprived. Today I'm going to be sharing you my 2026 glow up diet that's simple, affordable, and actually delicious. A few years ago I became obsessed with nutrition, and through trial and error I discovered something shocking. A high fiber diet changes everything. I know it sounds boring, but just stay with me. Since focusing on fiber, I've lost 10 pounds after years of struggling. My skin is glowing and I just feel better. And honestly, that's the real glow up. I used to be obsessed with food. I could eat a full meal, even an entire pizza, and still want more. But then I started eating simple foods like apples, and suddenly the cravings stopped. I would feel full, satisfied, calm around food, and that's when I realized this isn't about willpower, it's about what I was eating. So the science of Fiber Simplified is that fiber helps keep you feeling full longer. It stabilizes blood sugar and it literally reduces cravings. But it also does so much more. It supports gut health, it reduces inflammation, helps lower cholesterol, improves mood, supports your hair health, and makes your skin seriously glow. And when the inflammation goes down, your face will look clearer and more defined. What are the best high fiber foods? So what should you actually eat? Some of the best high fiber foods are beans like black beans and lentils and chickpeas, raspberries and berries and avocados, sweet potatoes, apples, oranges and pears, oatmeal, quinoa, brown rice, nuts and seeds. These foods are not only healthy, they're incredibly filling and actually taste amazing. Here's what it looks like in my personal daily routine. For breakfast, I'll have oatmeal with berries and nuts, or eggs with a fiber-rich side. And for lunch, I'll have something like lentil soup or black bean soup with avocado. For dinner, I'll have chickpea pasta or chickpea pizza with chicken sausage. And for snacks or dessert, raspberries with yogurt. It's so good and so filling. So it's really easy to make lentils and lentil soup. So what you do is you just take some lentils. Now these lentils are raw, but you can also buy already cooked lentils in the supermarket. They usually have them already cooked in a package. I'll show you that another day, but if you don't have those, then you can just start with these here, and these are again raw. And you just mix them with a can of tomatoes. Now these are the San Marzano tomatoes. These are peeled tomatoes, and these are actually naturally sweet, so they're really delicious. And you just take some chicken broth, or this there is bone broth. It actually has 10 grams of protein in it, so you're going to be getting your fiber with the lentils, and then you're getting your protein with this broth. So you just mix everything together. You can also add some carrots and some celery. A lot of people like to add garlic and onion, but my husband actually can't eat garlic and onion, so he has a really sensitive stomach, so I just do carrots and celery. So here it is, and I just sprinkled a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and these are so good, you guys. I literally cannot believe it. And you're getting protein, fiber, everything. So good. It's super quick and easy to cook a sweet potato, and again, they're so delicious and so filling to add to any meal that you're having. You know, add it to your protein. So what you do is you just take your sweet potato and you just go ahead and use your fork and just poke some holes in it, or you know, as many as you want, and just pretty much go all around. And then you just pop this in the microwave for 5 minutes, and it comes out so delicious. Here it is. I actually put it in for 6 minutes. You know, depending on the size, you know, experiment with your own microwave and where you are, because it might take a little bit longer or a little bit less. It might only be 4 minutes where you are. So kind of experiment. But generally for me, it's between 5 and 6 minutes in the microwave, but it just comes out perfect. I just added some of the spray butter, which I love. I'm not sure how healthy this is, but I do love it. It's the I can't believe it's not butter spray. And then I do love to add some cinnamon as well. And so guys, it is so delicious. I love to have this with basically anything. You know, generally we've been having a lot of turkey cutlets lately. They're so delicious and juicy. But here it is. Let's go ahead and taste it. It's so good. I'm sorry. I used to never let myself eat carbs because I thought I was going to gain weight. I would never eat a sweet potato, never eat an apple. And it's really unhealthy though to do that. But also, you know, I would lose weight, but I was all bony and my hair fell out. I was always lethargic, I was always tired, but eating like this, I have so much energy now, so I can work out every day, and so I have muscle tone, and I feel so much better about myself than when, even though I might have lost weight before, but didn't have any muscle tone. I was just very bony, and I didn't have any energy, and I was always feeling down. But now I have so much energy, like I said, and I feel so good, mentally and physically. And it's so delicious too, and so filling after you eat something like this, like a sweet potato with, for dinner with a protein, and you'll be set. These are my turkey cutlets here. They're so good. And then this is something I like to have for dessert, or you could have it for breakfast, but I do love to have this for dessert because I just feel like it's the perfect way to end the day. It's so filling, because another thing, I used to get really hungry at night, but since I've been eating this, I really don't feel the need to overeat at night. At night was like the worst time for me when I would start overeating. But again, since I've been having these raspberries with yogurt, I feel so full and so satisfied, so that I don't wind up overeating at night. So let me go ahead and show you. Now I just dumped them right into the yogurt container here. This is the Chobani zero sugar. This is only 60 calories. They have a bunch of delicious flavors. I got the vanilla here today. And again, I just put the raspberries right in the container because it's just quick and easy, right? So here it is. I also do add a little bit of sugar-free whipped cream because I love whipped cream. So anyway, here it is, guys. Seriously, it's so good. You just can't believe it. You can't believe how delicious. Now, since eating this way, I've lost so much weight. My skin is clearer and glowing. My hair is actually thicker. My energy is higher. My mood is better. And the biggest change of all, I finally feel in control around food. Now, this also completely transformed my skin. Because fiber helps remove toxins, it actually reduces acne. It balances your blood sugar. It improves hydration in your body. So instead of just applying skincare, you're working from the inside out. And honestly, this is where the real glow up comes from. I also found out that I was anemic, and foods like beans with a lot of iron in them help restore my iron levels. And my doctor actually said I'm no longer anemic now. So this isn't just about beauty, it's about real health. And this is not about food restriction. You don't have to cut everything out. Just add more fiber-rich foods to your diet, and that alone can change so much. So let me know in the comments, what are your favorite high fiber foods? And if you want recipes or more videos on this topic, let me know down below, because this is something that I'm super passionate about, and I do believe that the real glow up comes from within. And when you take care of your health, your skin will glow from the inside out. So it's not about just putting topicals on your skin. It's not about using skincare devices. While all that is great, I do believe the most important part of a glow up, again, comes from within and starts from the inside out. And then that will make your skincare and your skincare devices, all of that is just the icing on the cake. And it makes all of those things work so much better for you. I also love that these high fiber foods are pretty low in calorie too. They're low in fat. So you can wind up eating so much food and you're not overeating, because they are such low calorie foods that you can wind up just eating a large amount of food. So you're eating all day, you're feeling amazing, and you're never feeling deprived, and you're putting those important nutrients into your body that's going to give you that glowing skin, that's going to make your hair grow in longer and thicker and fuller, all while you're nourishing your body, getting your glow up on, and feeling amazing. I also love that these foods are primarily sugar-free and gluten-free, so they can really be incorporated into a lot of different diet types. So there's pretty much something for everybody. And I'll admit, at first I didn't want to eat apples. To be completely honest, the idea of eating an apple was not appealing to me for some reason, but I kind of forced myself, and then within a few days, once I saw how I felt, once I saw the effect it was having on my body and my skin, then I was hooked, and now I actually crave them. So if you don't really feel like having an apple, if you don't really feel like reaching for a pear or some raspberries, but just go ahead and try to incorporate them into your diet, and then you'll start to see, again, how incredible you feel. You'll see the difference in your skin. You'll start to see the difference pretty much almost immediately. Definitely within a few days, I think you'll really start to see how you feel fuller, how maybe your mood starts to feel more stable, because also high fiber foods also help to balance your hormones as well. So this is so great for menopausal or premenopausal women, or people of any age. So I just could not wait to come and share this beauty glow up with you today. And just one more quick tip though, dietitians do recommend aiming for about 30 grams of fiber a day. So just by adding a handful of some nuts or some berries into your regular meals and throughout the day, you're really going to set yourself up for glow up success. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know if you like these types of videos. Let me know if you'd like to see recipes or a full day of eating or meal planning ideas. Let me know down below, and that's pretty much it. Thank you again so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.